underneath the world famous Golden Gate Parade.
Hey guys, so it's day 2 of my Silicon Valley San Francisco trip. Day 2, just woke up. First day was really nice. Gonna make the bed soon, but like, let's check out the view. Dude, that's amazing. The view is so amazing. So breathtaking. So yeah, it was a $15 admission fee. So we're gonna check out what the San Francisco Asian Arts Center is like. I'm pretty excited, it looks pretty nice. And I'll show you guys around. And then after this, I want to check out the City Hall. Wow, so cool. Been really chill. You need to zone out and really appreciate all these pieces from, like, you know, some of them are 1,000 years old. That's just insane. Like, let's see, these pieces might be 2,000. Look at it. They're from like 100 to 200 or something. These pieces could be like 2,000 years old. It's insane. Wow, these are 2,000 years old as well. Look, looks like Voldemort. Voldemort. Center of the city. Look how cool it looks. And this is the City Hall. Look how cool that tower is. It's amazing. It's massive. Look, zebras. They're like armies. They just... Look what that is. Oh, it looks like I'm going into like a palace. Oh, I see, so cool. American flag. Too bad it's closed. See it? Look at the bridge. So I've been walking around San Francisco for like an hour or two now. It's been 2 hours, I think, since I left the house. Pretty used to it now. I've gotten sort of acclimated to like the culture, the surroundings, and everything's pretty chill. And yeah, like I feel much more comfortable now. Dude, look at the view, look at the backdrop. It's insane, the backdrop of the city. Look at that. So cool. It's so cool. Got to the other end. And I want to see it and chill, but like it's just too hot. Yeah, it's way too hot. On the ferries, on the boats. I guess I'll walk back now. I might sit and chill. So relaxing. Look at that. View of the bridge. Ooh, the zoom's so good. This is insane. The seals, what the hell? There's so many of them.
The right hand side. Both the basket goes to hit.
There's the Golden State Bridge. That over there is Alcatraz. It's like some prison, I think. There's one in San Francisco. It's pretty cool. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah. We're gonna be going under the Golden State Bridge. Like Saturday. Pretty close. Literally, well, yesterday we went all the way up there. That's where I took all the photos. Oh, this is so cool.
Alright folks, get those wings ready. Now, all underneath the world famous Golden Gate Bridge.
I started at the Asian Arts Museum, so you see a bunch of cool clips. It was really nice to see all these artifacts that are like, you know, 1,000 years old, 2,000 years old, and there's all these nice photos and paintings. So it was really, really nice to sort of see all the art and just see all these sort of old antique sort of statues, pieces, ornaments. So that was really nice. After that, I walked to the San Francisco City Hall. It was like giant. It looked like, you know, a castle. It looked like the Parliament or something. Like it was so giant. Yeah, it was really, really cool. Got some photos there. And then from there I walked to this market, through this market, all the way down to the beach. So it was like a half an hour walk, and I was walking straight. There was this street going straight to this place where it's called Ferry Building, and there's a bunch of ferries taking people around the harbour. So I walked all the way down there. And then from there, I walked to this place called Pier 39. It was basically a pier, but it had all these, it was like an amusement park. It had a lot of food. It had like ferry-go-rounds. It had those things where you ride horses and it rotates, people playing music. Yeah, it was pretty cool. From there, I started walking across the river. From there, I started walking across the beach, and then I came to this spot where there was just a bunch of seals, and these seals were, I think they're not even seals, they're like sea lions, and they were massive. They were like really big, and they weigh like 300 pounds apparently. So that was insane to see, like basically probably like nearly 100 of them just stacked up on top of these wooden panels all next to each other, and just seeing so many in real life. Like this wasn't like Sea World or anything. This was just, you know, the edge. This was just the beach of San Francisco. Like it wasn't like enclosed. Like these were like natural seals just swimming in and lying there. So that was insane to see so many in real life and just sort of in public. So that was pretty cool. And then after that, walking, I saw this sign saying, you know, $15 show your tour. We go underneath the San Francisco Bridge. We show you Alcatraz prison. So I saw that sign. I was like, holy shit, $15? That sounded like a steal. So I jumped on into a boat, paid $15, and it was amazing. Like the trip was so chill, the wind, the boat, just going around and going underneath the bridge was awesome. Like just seeing how big the bridge was, like underneath it, like that was really, really cool. And just so like basically being so close to the bridge and just going right under it and rotate and like circling back underneath it. That was really, really cool. After that boat trips, I sort of went to this chocolate place. It's basically like a chocolate factory and it's called Ghirardelli. And then from there I caught an Uber to this sort of taco place, and man, it was insane. Like tacos and Mexican food's quite popular here in America, so having like trying Mexican food, like actual Mexican food for the first time, was really, really cool. And the tacos were like amazing, so definitely want to check that out again. So I was able to meet up with a student there. After that, he dropped me off back at this spot, and I came back with Vincent, and we sort of walked in this pretty cool spot. Like it was a spot near us. It's like sort of like a wharf. It's like a shipyard sort of area, and it was abandoned, but like, yeah, it's giant. So that was pretty cool. And we just walked around, took a lap around that spot and talked a bit. After that, we went home and chilled, and then I went to sleep. We watched a bit of TV on his massive TV. But yeah, that's basically day 2 of the American San Francisco trip. It was pretty cool. Can't wait to see what's in store for day 3. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you guys did like it, if you want to see more of this sort of vlog content, definitely subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you have any other questions, just comment below. Hit me up on my Instagram. I answered all my DMs. So definitely do that. But yeah, hope you like this video, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.